Good morning children. Today we are going to learn 4th class 3rd lesson, add and subtract. Add and subtract. Okay, all of you open your studio page number 45. See here, in this lesson we are going to learn 5-digit addition and subtraction and estimated total and difference. Total means addition, estimated sum means addition, and difference means subtraction. Totally in this lesson we are going to learn 5-digit additions and subtractions and estimated values also. Okay, 3.1 pep activity. See here, a circus shows sold 44,578 tickets on Saturday and 33,013 tickets on Sunday. Calculate the total number of tickets sold on both days. Total, already we learned in 2nd class, 3rd class. What are the clue words for addition? What are the clue words? I will repeat again, listen carefully. Total, sum of, in all, together, all together. If you find out these 5 words in your number story, you can do addition. Here total, calculate the total number of tickets. Total means we should do addition. Okay, they given that addition you have to do 44,578 plus 33,113. Total is there, that's why you should do addition. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Okay, while we are doing addition, we have to start from ones place. 8 plus 3, 8 is in my mind, 3 is in my hand. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. And no need to say like that. Why? Because you are not a small kids. Yes? Okay. Now see here, 7 plus 1, 8. If you add 1 for any number, we will get that number before number. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Go to hundreds place number. 5 plus 0, 5. Why? Because if you add 0 for any number, we will get same number. Next, go to thousands place. 4 plus 3. 4 is in my mind, 3 is in my hand. For after 5, 6, 7. Again 4 plus 3, 7. What is the answer? 77,591. Okay, did you get all of you? Next, go to second one. Calculate how many more tickets were sold on Saturday than on Sunday. How many more tickets were sold? Or more, how many more? Already I told clue word for you. For subtractions, I will revise once. All of you listen carefully. If you want, you can note down. What are the clue words for subtractions? I will say, listen carefully. Left, taken away, given away, difference, balance, left and less than, decreased by, how many more and how many less. In this lesson, in this sum, we find out how many more. How many more means what should we do? We have to do subtraction. Which operation would you use to solve the problem? Subtraction. For this we have to use subtraction. Okay, do subtraction, all of you, same numbers. What are those? 44,578 minus 33,013. Okay, now do subtraction. While we are doing subtraction, always we have to start from ones place. See here, ones place number 8 minus 3. Take 8 fingers, close 3. Remaining is 5. Okay, 7 minus 1. Already we learned. If you subtract 1 from any number, we will get that number before number. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3. Take 4 fingers, close 3. 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now what is the answer? 11,565. See here, like that, when we have to do addition, when we have to do subtraction, we learn now. See, now how to do carryings or borrowings. I think no need to teach for, already you learn. Okay, then again I am going to teach for you, listen carefully. Now next sum is 77,591 plus 15,000 100. 15,100. Now you have to add these two numbers. See, right, place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. While we are doing addition, we have to start from ones place. What are the ones place numbers? 1 plus 0, 1. If you add 0 for any number, you will get same number. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. See here, go to thousands place. 7 plus 5. 7 is in my mind, 5 is in my hand. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 12, we got 2 digits. If you get 2 digits, but there, where should we write? Already we learned in 3rd class. We have to write 1 up, down 2. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. See, these are called carryings. Why? Because if you get more than 10, we have to regroup there, that one in next place, and we have to write the answer. We have to add those numbers. Okay, now how to do borrowing also, once we will revise. 92,691 minus 1800. Do subtraction. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 0, 9. 6 minus 0, 6. Now thousands place. What are the thousands place number? 2 minus 8. Take 2 fingers, close 8. Is it possible? No. Why? Because up a small number, down big number. Then what should we do? We have to take borrow from 10,000's place, cut that number and write before number and take borrow 1. Now 12 minus 8. While we are doing borrow, what should we do? We have to close all fingers and count down number to up number. What is the down number? 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Now how many fingers we open? 4. 4 is the answer. Now 8 minus 1. Already we learned. If you subtract 1 from any number, we will get that number before number. Now what is the answer? 74,691. Like that, we have to do borrowings. Already those borrowings you learn in 2nd class and 3rd class also. But we did there 2 digit and 3 digit and 4 digit. Now we are going to do 5 digit. Now all of you open your page number 48, 3.2 activity. There add the numbers 47,429 and 29,654. Okay, and down one also 9,654 and 47,429. Okay, did you complete that? Okay, if you complete that, all of you come to 3.3 activity, page number 49. The table in the figure 1 shows the number of chocolates produced in a day at a chocolate factory. One chocolate factory, every day they are producing some chocolates. Timings. Morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. they can produce 14,623. 10:15 to 11:15 they can produce 20,142. 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. they can produce 19,243. Now we have to find out the total. All of you find out the total. Total means what should we do? Addition. All of you do that one addition. I think no need to teach. You can do. Yes? Yes, do the addition. Now 1:30 to 3 o'clock lunch break. After afternoon 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. they produced 18,065. And 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. they produce 11,986. Now find out the total. All of you find out the total. See here. Now if you find out the total chocolates produced by morning, I got 54,008. Did you get all of you same answer? Check once. Morning shift only. Okay. Afternoon shift. See here. Afternoon shift 18,065. And 11,986. Do addition. 5 plus 1. Place values must and should you should write. 5 plus 6, 11. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 9, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 30,051. Now afternoon they got 30,051. 51. Now he is asking some questions. You have to give answer. Listen carefully. Number of chocolates produced in the morning. Morning, how many chocolates they produced? 54,008. Next, number of chocolates produced in afternoon. Afternoon, how many they produced? 30,051. Now what he is asking? How many more chocolates were produced in the morning than in the afternoon? How many more? How many more means what should we do? We have to do subtraction. How to do subtraction? Morning they produced 54,008. Afternoon they produced 30,051. We have to do subtraction. 8 minus 1, 7. 0 minus 4, we have to take borrow. If you want to take borrow, next also 0, then what should we do? We have to take from thousands place. Okay, thousands place we have to take, and if you get like this continuously zeros, first 0 you should write as a 10, next 0 you have to write as a 9. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 0, 9, 3 minus 0, 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now how many more chocolates they produced? Then afternoon is equal to 23,957. Each chocolate box has a gift toy inside. Find the total number of toys. Find the total number of toys needed at the end of this day. How many toys? What they did? Each chocolate box has a gift pack. In that they kept one toy. Now how many toys they need? For that what we have to find out? Total number of chocolates produced. How many they produced? Morning 54,008. Afternoon 30,051. They produced these much chocolates. We have to do addition. 8 plus 1, 9, 0 plus 5, 5, 0, 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 3, 7. How many total toys they need? How many total chocolates they produced? They need that much of toys. They produced 74,059 chocolates. That's why they need 74,059 toys. Okay. Now see, already these quick tips we learned in third class. If you add 10 for any number, we have to change the tens place number. If you subtract any 10 from any number, you have to change the tens place number. Now I am going to teach all of you. Listen carefully. See here, if you add 10 for any number, for example 24,152 plus 10. If you add 10 for any number, the number tens place only will change. See, remaining places ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 54,100 tens place, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 62. If you subtract 10 from any number, here also only tens place only will change, but here we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 1, 4. Remaining numbers as usual, 24,100, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, and 1's place number as usual. Okay, like this only. If you subtract 1 from any number, if you add 1 for any number, it's once hundreds place only will change. 24,000, 1 plus 1, 252. If you subtract 100 from any number, that hundreds place only will change. 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Remaining numbers we have to write 24,000, 1 minus 1, 0, 52. Like this only. If you add 1000 for any number, that thousands place number only will change. But we have to do addition here. 4 plus 1, 5. 25,152. If you subtract 1000 for any number, you have to subtract only thousands place number. Now 23,152. Now if you add thousands place, 10,000 for any number, which number will change? 10,000's place number only will change. See, now 2 plus 1, 3. 34,152. if you subtract 10,000, that number 10,000's place only subtract. 2 minus 1, 1. 14,152. Did you understand that? Okay, by these quick tips you can complete the quick tips. Now see here, you can do this 3.5 also by these quick tips. Now you can complete 3A companion also. Next, do 3.8 addition and subtraction also. See here 3.8, plant trees and save the planet is a city-wide project to plant 5,000 saplings. 34,201 saplings were planted in the north zone. 37,822 saplings were planted in the south zone of the city. How many saplings are there left to be planted? One more time I will read. In a city they want to plant 85,000 plants, but they planted in north zone 34,201 and south zone 37,822. Now is there any plants left? Now we have to find out. For that what we have to do, addition or subtraction? We have to do addition and subtraction both. Why? Because first how many saplings they distributed, we have to do addition. North side how many they did? 34,201. South side 37,822. We have to add these two. Now total saplings are 85,000. From 85,000, how many they planted? We have to subtract. Do addition first. This one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 1 plus 2, 3. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 1 plus 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 72,023 they planted. Now total are 85,000. Now how to do subtract? See here, we got the zeros like this. Then what should we do? See, 0 minus 3, borrow. 0 minus 2, borrow. 0 minus 0, borrow, no? Then if you observe all are zeros, then what should we do? We have to take borrow from thousands place. Cut this number and write before. Now what we have to do with these zeros? First 0 we have to write as a 10, remaining we have to write as a 9. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 7, 1. 12,977. Did you understand here? In this sum, we applied two symbols, addition and subtraction. Two operations we used. Why? Because here he asked how many north zone some saplings and south zone also some saplings they planted. Total minus total they planted 85,000. In those total they have 85,000. In those 85,000 they planted north zone some and south zone some. How many left? That's why here we used two operations, addition and subtraction. I will say one example for this. For example, you have 20 marbles with you. Okay, you gave for your brother 5 marbles and for your sister 6 marbles. Now how many marbles are left with you? Listen carefully. You have 20 marbles. You gave 5 marbles for your brother, 6 marbles for your sister. How many marbles are left with you? Here what we have to do? How many marbles you gave for your brother and sister, we have to add first. 5 plus 6, 11. Now you have to subtract from total marbles how many you given for them. 20 minus 11 is equal to 9. 9 marbles are there with you. Like that you have to use addition and subtraction also. Now 3.9 activity also you have to do. Look at the stock register. Anil's hardware shop. See here, January month he purchased 58,507. February 0, March 0. April 22,457, April 0, June 10,000. Now quantity sold, how many he sold? In January he did not sold anything, 0. February 38,990, March 12,012, April 0, May 1,200, June 40,826. Now what he is asking, number of paints can remaining by the end of the June. Now what we have to do, listen carefully. Now we have to add quantity of purchased. Here you have to do addition, these all numbers, how many he purchased. After you have to do addition, how many he sold. Then you will get the two numbers. Now we have to subtract how many he purchased minus how many he sold. Now then you will get number of paints remaining in the end of the June. Did you understand? First you have to do those two additions. How many quantity he purchased, quantity he sold. You have to do addition. Then after that you have to do subtraction. From purchase minus sold you have to do subtraction. Okay, did you understand? Now we are going to learn estimated. With this topic now I am going to complete this chapter. Estimated, already we learned before lesson estimated value. Now how to find out the actual amount and estimated amount we are going to learn in this lesson. For example, see here. Here we are going to learn actual amount and estimated amount. 62,452 plus 2,110. We have to find out the actual amount. See here, I am finding the actual amount. See, 62,452. Place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now 0, 1, 1, 2, 2,110. Now I am finding the actual amount. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. Here any number not there, that's why 6 only. 64,562. Now actual amount, what for that he is asking? Round off the nearest 1,000. Round off the nearest 1,000. That means we have to take from thousands place. Now what is that? 2,452. 2,452, where it will be? It will be middle of 2,000 and 3,000. For that which number we have to take? 2,000 or 3,000? For that we have to observe the hundreds place number. Hundreds place number is less than 5. That's why you have to take small number. 10,000 place as usual we have to write. Next we have to write 2,000. Now what is the estimated value? 62,000. Now 2,100, where it will be? It will be middle of 2,000 and 3,000 only. Now which number we have to take? 2,000 or 3,000? For that we have to observe the hundreds place number. Hundreds place number is less than 5. That's why you have to take again small number only. Now take 2,000. Now what we have to do? Addition. Do addition. 2 plus 2, 4, 6. 64,000. This is the actual amount. This is the estimated amount. See here. Now what he is asking? Find the difference between actual amount and estimated amount. What is the estimated amount? Estimated amount is 64,000. Actual amount is actual amount is more than estimated. No, that's why you have to write up. 64,562. Now difference, find out the difference. Difference means we should do subtraction. And now 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Now what is the difference between actual value and estimated value? 562. You have to write in that box. See here. First actual value you have to write. After estimated value, you have to do subtraction. By subtraction, you got 562. Like that, you have to complete now subtraction also in page number 59. Now, see 3.11 activity. A theatre hall can accommodate around 15,600 people. Spring the school has decided to host its annual day celebrations at the hall. One theatre is there. In that theatre there are 15,600 people can sit. Okay, one school they decide to host the annual day celebration in that hall. Then for them, primary school 9,300 tickets, middle school 1,980 and high school 3,034. In the hall large enough to accommodate all the people? Is it enough? Or round off the nearest thousands to solve the problem? What he is asking, in a hall there are 50,600 people they can sit. Okay, one school they want to celebrate their annual day in that hall. For them, primary school 9,308 members are there. For middle school 1,980. For high school 3,034. Now, is it enough? For that what we have to do? We have to do those three numbers addition. While you are doing addition, we have to find out the estimated value for thousands. Round off the nearest thousands he given and find out the answer. See, 9,300 steps you have to write. I am saying the sum briefly. 9,308 nearest thousands is where it will be middle of 9,000 and 10,000. Now which number we have to take? For that we have to observe the hundreds place number. Hundreds place number is 3, that's why I have to take small number 9,000. Second number is high school. Middle school how many are there? 1,908. Nearest thousands are 2,000. How? I will explain again. It will be middle of 1,000 and 2,000. Now which number we have to take? For that hundreds place we have to take. Hundreds place number is more than 5. That's why we have to take big number. Now 2,000. Now high school 3,034. Now it will be middle of 3,000 and 4,000. Okay, hundreds place number is less than 5. That's why you have to take small number 3,000. Now you have to do addition. Why? Because they have to sit in that hall. 0, 0, 0, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 11 plus 4, 11 plus 3, sorry, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14,000 people are there, estimated that one. Now, total seats, how many are there? 15,600. Now, find out the estimated value for nearest thousands. It will be 5,600, it will be middle of 5,000 and 6,000. Which number we have to take? For that we have to observe the hundreds place. Now it is more than 5, that's why I have to take big number. Now 16,000 minus 14,000. If you subtract that, 2,000. Okay, how many seats were left? See here. Is it enough? Yes, it is enough to sit there and 2,000 seats are remaining. You have to do that sum and you can do 3.13 also by estimated. After question time, they given addition, subtraction and number stories. Left means we should do subtraction. Yes. See here, first sum, during a major flood, 86,210 packets of the food were prepared. Teja distributed 3,006 food packets to the northern part of the city and 26,109 packets to the southern part of the city. First we have to add 34,006 and 26,109. That value you have to subtract from 86,210. Okay, next one also same like that only. A digestive biscuit factory produces 72,422 biscuits packets in a day. 10,765 packets are sent to Leela supermarket. 34,910 are sent to Ram supermarket. 6,758 are sent to Tatva supermarket. Estimate how many biscuits packets are left. This one also we have to add 10,765, 34,910, 6,758. That value from total value you have to subtract this value. Total value is 72,422 minus, if you add those three numbers, how much you get, you have to subtract that. I hope you all understood this. Okay, if you understand this, you can complete this lesson. Okay, Nana, thank you.